Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rohmahyanti. I'm from second semester of Mathematics Education Study Program in STKIP Muhammadiyah Kuningan. In this time, I will explain about present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense have a characteristic and function. The characteristics of present perfect continuous tense are three characteristics. In the first, expressing habits that start in the future, past, and last until now. In the second, declare the result of an action that is complete. And the third, present perfect continuous tense can also be used for an action that is done repeat. So, pada umumnya, ciri dari present perfect continuous tense yaitu menyatakan suatu kegiatan atau kebiasaan yang telah dilakukan di masa lampau dan masih berlangsung hingga saat ini atau berlangsung hingga ke masa yang akan datang. In the next, function of present perfect continuous tense are four functions. Is to show an action that has been complete at a point in the past followed by its relevance to the present condition. Is to show the action that was just finished. Is usually using adverb just. Is to show action has started in the past and continues until now. So, present perfect continuous tense ini tidak hanya menggunakan kata kerja or verb, but in present perfect continuous tense can use adverb just or adjective just or noun just. In formula at present perfect continuous tense, use have or has. Have is used for I, you, we, and they. And then has used to she, he, or it. The time signal is used in present perfect continuous tense are since, yaitu sejak, and for, yaitu selama. And then adverb time is since, for, and so on.
And the next, this is a formula in present perfect continuous tense. In positive sentence are subject plus have or has plus been plus verb one ing atau yang sering disebut infinitive. In negative sentence are subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus verb one ing. And then in interrogative sentence are have or has plus subject plus been plus verb one ing. For example, this is are in positive sentence is Anna has been living in Kuningan since 2013. This is are Anna for subject plus has plus been plus verb in living, and then are since for time signal. Anna has been living in Kuningan since 2013. Artinya Anna sudah tinggal di Kuningan sejak tahun 2013. Dapat disimpulkan bahwa sejak tahun 2013 Ana sudah tinggal di Kuningan hingga saat ini dan ada kemungkinan akan terus berlangsung hingga tahun depan atau ke masa yang akan datang. In negative sentence are Anna has not been living in Kuningan since 2013. In negative sentence selalu ditandai dengan kata not. Anna has not been living in Kuningan since 2013. Artinya, Anna sudah tidak tinggal di Kuningan sejak tahun 2013. Negative sentence ini merupakan suatu kalimat penyangkalan atau menyanggah. In interrogative sentence is has Anna been living in Kuningan since 2013? Apakah Anna sudah tinggal di Kuningan sejak tahun 2013? So, in interrogative sentence, has yang tadinya ada di belakang subjek, di kalimat tanya, has disimpan di depan subjek. The next example are in positive sentence. I have been reading for an hour. Saya sudah membaca selama sejam. Artinya, saya sudah melakukan kegiatan membaca selama sejam dari 1 jam yang lalu dan mungkin saja kegiatan tersebut belum selesai dan akan terus dilangsungkan. And then, for time signal in this sentence are for, yaitu selama. In negative sentence are I have not been reading for an hour. Saya tidak membaca selama sejam. In interrogative sentence is have I been reading for an hour? Apakah saya membaca selama sejam? And the last example are in positive sentence. She has been my friend since 3 years ago. Dia sudah menjadi teman saya sejak 3 tahun yang lalu. Artinya, sejak 3 tahun yang lalu dia telah menjadi teman saya dan sampai sekarang dia menjadi teman saya, atau mungkin sampai ke depannya dia menjadi teman saya. In interrogative sentence, she has not been my friend since 3 years ago. Dia tidak menjadi teman saya sejak 3 tahun yang lalu. In interrogative sentence, has she been my friend since 3 years ago? Apakah dia menjadi teman saya sejak 3 tahun yang lalu? So, in this sentence, the formula is not used a verb, but in this sentence, use noun or adjective or adverb. So, present perfect continuous tense menyatakan suatu peristiwa yang telah terjadi atau yang sedang berlangsung atau yang akan terjadi di masa akan datang dengan menggunakan time signal since, for, a long day, all day, and so on.
That's all for this time. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.